A powerful storm triggered severe flooding across several municipalities in the state of Mexico, including Atizapán de Zaragoza, Tlalnepantla, Coacalco, and Cuautitlán Izcalli. The heavy rains caused major traffic chaos, halted public transportation, and forced emergency rescues. Civil protection teams and firefighters worked in multiple areas to assist stranded residents and motorists. In Atizapán, neighborhoods like Jinetes and Villas de la Hacienda were heavily impacted after a manhole burst, releasing high-pressure water that turned streets into rivers.
Ya se llevaron al de las nieves. Ya no tocamos ya se tiraron las nieves.
In Tlalnepantla, vehicles were trapped on Gustavo Baz Avenue, where floodwaters rose over a meter. Cuautitlán Izcalli brigades assisted a man stuck in his car and cleared drainage channels to restore water flow. In Coacalco, the José López Portillo highway near Plaza Coacalco was submerged, suspending Mexibús Line 2 service and delaying the Suburban Railway. Residents criticized authorities for lacking a comprehensive flood risk plan.